Because the Cargobase platform covers the complete lifecycle of a shipment, from start to finish, there is a lot of data that is generated in the process. So this means that if you're looking for specific financial information on a shipment, on your team or on your whole organization, or even if you are a data savvy lean professional and are looking for process related data, all of that is available to you from the platform. By default, we provide reports on financial data across a team, a business unit, or even per freight mode. But you can also generate reports on provider performance. For instance, on-time performance, financial performance, but also quoting performance, with which we mean how often is a logistics provider invited, how often do they actually quote, and how often do they win or lose business. So all these reports are available to any company using the platform, and if they'd like, we can also even provide raw data and submit that into their visualization tools, or just provide it as spreadsheets any way a customer would like to consume that information. All data that is generated on the platform by your company is of course your data, so is available to you. This does mean that per organization we can set boundaries or limits to a given user or a team or a department on what they can actually see and what they can do with that information. We have customers that have dedicated analytics professionals that deal with raw data and visualization of that, where maybe the operational staff does not have that kind of access. But we also have customers where they have suppliers work in the platform that can see all the detail of the shipments, except for instance for financial information. So again, all the data is available. We can just channel the data as per your needs. Similar to shippers, a logistics provider can export and generate all sorts of reports based on the data that they generate themselves. So this means that a logistics provider has an insight across their organization globally as to their quoting performance or on-time performance, but again, always only related to data that they generate themselves. A logistics provider can never create a report on data generated for a same shipment by another logistics provider, of course. That we keep safe and secure, but all data is available to them as well. Absolutely. We consider Cargobase to be a platform rather than a tool, because it consists of all sorts of interconnected and customizable services that we can connect to each other, but also to external services. So if we're talking about data, if we need to feed the data into any kind of visualization tool or even into an ETL process, that can easily be done.